Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. The name of the paper is Vedic Mathematics 1. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum marks is 30. Guys, remember to read the instructions before attempting the question paper. Okay, let's see the question number 1. Question attempt any 4 of the following. Okay, first, this is the mathematical expression. You guys can take a screenshot. These are the 5 questions. Okay, you can take the screenshot. As for question number 2, A. Chris starts reading a book on Monday. He reads 1/2 of hours on day. The next 2 days he spent 1 3/5 fraction hours and 2.5 hours respectively on reading the book. He completes the book on Thursday by reading for another 2.5 hours. How much time Chris took to complete the book? Okay. And for part B, solve the following. Here are the two expressions. Okay. You can see on the screen. Okay. For question number 3, complete the following table with Bodhaya number of respective angles. Okay, here's the table, question and the table. Okay, you can pause the video. Okay, and that's part B for you. Solve the following again with the numeric. I can't read these. Okay, you can see it on the screen. Okay, as for part B, here's the part B, and for question number 2, solve the following. Then again, 1004 cube equals something. And for question number 2, factorize the quadratic equation. Here's the quadratic equation. Fourth question part B. Explain the concept of Bodhayana theorem as present in the Bodhayana syllabus and provide one proof of the theorem. Okay, thank you. If you guys want any of the PYQs of any other subject, do mention them in the comments and I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.